Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view all email messages in HTML format in Outlook. This is particularly useful if you want to ensure your emails display with proper formatting, images, and styling consistently across all messages you receive. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Once you've signed in, give it a moment to load all your emails and sync properly. You'll know everything is ready when you can see your inbox populated with your messages. Now that your email has loaded, it's time to access the settings that control how your messages are displayed. Navigate to the File menu, which you'll find located on the top part of your screen where all your main tools and menus are positioned. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open this menu. Once the File menu has opened, take a look at the options presented to you. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and you'll see Outlook options listed there. Click on it and a new window titled Outlook Options will appear on your screen. This is where all the core settings for your Outlook application are managed. From the Outlook Options window, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll see several categories for different settings. Click on Mail to access email-specific configurations. This section controls how your emails are composed, formatted, and displayed. Under the Mail tab, scroll down through the various options until you find a section labeled Message Format. This is the key area where you can control how Outlook handles the format of your emails. Within this section, you'll notice a drop-down menu that says Convert to. Click on this drop-down and you'll see three options appear: HTML, rich text, and plain text. Select HTML from this list. By choosing HTML, you're instructing Outlook to display all your email messages using HTML formatting, which preserves the original design, embedded images, and layout that the sender intended. This ensures the best visual experience when reading your emails. Once you've made your selection, click on OK to save the changes. Outlook will now apply this setting, and all your email messages will be viewed in HTML format moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully configured Outlook to view all your email messages in HTML format, ensuring you get the full visual experience from every email you receive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.